Hello and welcome to my channel. I'm Daisy. If you have been looking for a beginner-friendly laser engraver that basically does the hard work for you, this one might surprise you. Today I'm reviewing the new TOOCAA NOVA, an AI-powered laser engraver designed for effortless desktop creation. Let's see if this laser machine really lives up to the expectations. And now we're going to do a super quick unboxing of the TOOCAA NOVA. It comes completely ready to use. No missing parts or complicated assembly. It comes very well wrapped and protected. And here we have the machine. It's compact and fits in any little corner of your home or studio. Look, it already has the built-in camera. It also comes with the instruction manual and materials to get started. Here we have the 20-watt diode laser, the smart air assist that helps cut and engraving come super clean, and it also includes this rotary accessory perfect for engraving cylindrical objects like cups or tumblers. Another thing I love is that it already has a built-in camera, so you can see exactly where your design will go before engraving. This is the 20-watt diode version, much more powerful than the 10 watts, which means you can engrave faster and on denser materials. The work area is A4, which is 297 by 210 millimeters, ideal for standard size projects and gives you plenty of space to create. Everything comes well organized in the box, and as you can see, it's super easy to get started. To use it, we can work with the TOOCAA Studio or Light Burn. I like using TOOCAA Studio because I can select the materials and the machine gives me the parameters automatically. It also makes using the camera much easier. To use this program, go to TOOCAAstudio.com. I already installed a 20 watts laser, which was super easy using the little screws that comes with the machine. Now I'm going to attach the exhaust air tube, connect the air assist, and also connect the machine to the computer. Connecting the machine to the computer is also very easy. Just follow the instructions in the user manual that comes with the machine. I'm going to start with an engraving on this coaster. First, I will do a line engraving, which is very fast, like a trace. Then, on the other side, we will do a field engraving, which takes a little longer, but the result is spectacular. Here we have the first line engraving on this coaster, and what I like is that it's super fast. Now we will flip it over and proceed with the field engraving. Here we have the coaster, one side line engraved and the other side filled. It turned out beautiful. Now, using the wood that came with the machine, we're going to cut a trellis. This is a very intricate cut. As you can see, it's super clean with no shadows or residue. It's perfectly defined. I'm preparing decorations for spring, for the garden, or for plants. And look how easy it is. I love these mini plant trellises. They are simply beautiful. You can make them for personal use, for gift, or easily add them to your personalized business portfolio. Look how they look already in the plants. They give such a cute and very professional touch. And let me tell you, this type of piece sells a lot during this season, especially among plant lovers. Another advantage of this machine is that we can do cylindrical engraving using the rotary accessory. It's super easy. First, we unscrew the screws on the ends of the laser bar. Then we place the rotary accessory and secure it with the screws that come with the machine. They are stored in the upper right corner, easy to grab when we need them. Then place the knobs to secure the cylindrical items. In this case, I'm going to engrave this 20-ounce tumbler. The design will be small and simple, just to show you how it looks. And done. Engraving finished. This time it took about 30 minutes because I ran it slower so it would come out very well defined. It came out black, but don't worry, you clean it with a magic eraser or a sponge and it will look spectacular. In person looks much better. It shines and the inner metal looks beautiful. So we have now used the new TOOCAA NOVA 20-watt diode laser engraver machine. And I quickly show you examples of the items we can create. I will leave the link to the machine below in the description. And if you'd like to ask any question, do not hesitate to leave me a comment. If you enjoyed this video, I invite you to subscribe to the channel, give it a like, and activate the bell so you don't miss any of my new videos. Thank you for your visit and see you next time.